Alright, sorry about that, run out of time at 10 minutes, but now I have a video editing program so I can splice this together and then upload it as a single file. Anyways, I was saying that these, I've seen the, and actually just like right now, they have brand new ones, but they're literally selling them for $400 a piece, and they don't even have the, geez, that really needs to be cleaned up good. I guess old or new used, or what do they call that? Like new stock, but it's sat around for a long time. I don't know. There's a term like new but used stock, or new but old stock. I think that's what they call it. But anyways, yeah, just this piece here, brand new glass and everything. You know, all that, the frame, for $400, and didn't even have this. And this mounts to the bottom, and this is what you use, because this pops out to let the window down. So like just this without that for like $400 each, and this guy had the 4 tan ones and 2 green ones, and selling them $200 a piece, half price. So I'm like, all right, well, screw it. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy 2 of them right now, and I'll just, you know, my money stuff wound up being okay, so it wasn't a big deal. But at that time where I was kind of holding off on things a couple weeks ago, money stuff was a little tighter, but I just couldn't pass it up because it's literally half price, and it's not like it was half price from, you know, $40 to $20. You know, it's just $20. Like, it's not the end of the world. But we're talking $400 to $200, and yeah, that adds up to quite a bit. But yeah, so yeah, 2 of these. The new old stock with the super dirty windows, but you know, I mean, they'll clean up. Got the rails there, so I mean the pegs, so they get slides up and down the rails, plastic pegs, so smooth action, smooth sliding. But yeah, so I got them, and he had 2 green ones, so I don't even have to paint them. So all is good there. And yeah, that's that one goes with that one, because you know there's a left and a right to these things. These parts are the same, but this is what determines the left and the right. These pieces right here, and I guess the screws to mount these in here. Yeah, it's just a real bummer about the HDMI, but you know, it's not the end of the world. So, but now I gotta spend, I don't know, hell, it'll probably take me at least a half an hour, or it could even take me an hour to just search through all the different types of plugs, and then to find exactly what I need. And on top of that, the problem with that stuff is, like what I was saying earlier, not all of these can support the HDMIs. Not all the HDMIs can support 4K video. So not only do I have to have a mini a mini HDMI over here with a right angle, and the right angle has to go that direction. And this here, you know, if it's minis on both sides, that's fine, because I can get an adapter to go from a mini to a full size. That could just be straight, because that's just the part that plugs into the computer, and that's not gonna, none of that room, having room for that is not gonna be an issue. But this here, this is the super duper most important part, because it needs to angle the correct way, it needs to sit there correct, it has to have 90 degree, and it has to be a mini. And it has to have, be able to handle 4K video. So, I guess that's what I'll be doing here in a few minutes. See you guys next time.